You could have knocked me down with a feather. 2 M2s, 3 M140s, 1 M240i, 1 230i and a 125i, plus access to a stack of roads used in Targa Tasmania. And, to top it off, racing drivers Steve Richards and Cody Crocker leading the charge. But I wasn't there to have fun. I was there to drive the 2018 BMW M2 LCI and find out whether the now more expensive BMW Pocket Rocket is worth your hard-earned cash. Prices have increased by $3,090 for the M2 Pure and $790 for the M2, with both now starting from $93,300 plus on-road costs and $99,900 plus on-road costs respectively. The price increase nets you I drive with an 8.8-inch navigation professional infotainment system, new LED taillights, LED lights for M2 Pure and hexagonal adaptive LED lights for M2. Inside the cabin there's a new driver instrument display. It looks fantastic with M-specific content and a whopping 300 km/h speedometer and 7,000 RPMs redline, plus a light that comes on when the N dynamic mode is engaged. Wiper and indicator stalks have also been revised. You can get a better idea of the suite of changes in our 2018 BMW M2 LCI pricing and specs article. Before we even jumped behind the wheel, it's hard not to admire how tough the M2 looks from the outside. It looks like a balloon that has been blown up to explosion level. It's literally bulging from every corner. Up the front there